Hey, let me show you something. If I click bestsellers and open some random bestseller listing, and this one. So now you notice that almost all of them used premium A plus content. Why do they use premium? Why not basic? Amazon itself give me that answer. Premium A plus can push your sales up to 20%, while basic A plus usually bring around 8%. If you ask me why there is a 12% difference between the basic and premium A plus, for that answer, we need to go to the back end. This is the basic and this one for the premium A plus content. Now let's see the basic one. Now, these are the modules. First, company logo, and next is the comparison chart. So now for the comparison chart, we have found one option here, and next images with text. This one also images with text. This is AI ready, so you can generate image with text by giving the prompt. Anyway, if you notice, all the modules available in the basics are images and text, no other variants. On the other hand, if we go to the Premium A Plus section, now here you will find a lot more option to showcase your product. Such as here you will find different types of comparison charts, image carousel, and most interestingly, you can add videos in this Premium A Plus content. So that's the reason almost all the bestsellers use Premium Plus content, because they can showcase in a different way, make the graphics engaging and eye-catching. So shoppers stay longer, and the more time they spend, the higher chances they will buy. That's why conversion increase. So now you know that Premium A Plus is great thing to add on your listing. But did you notice there are lots of modules in the Premium A Plus section, but you can only add up to 7 modules. So you have to be choosy. You need to know what are the best of the best modules that not only engaging but also you can showcase a lot more info of your products. And the number one module you should add is none other than the premium full image. I know it looks simple, but with that you can showcase your brand. How so? Let me show you an example. Now, in this, you can see the brand name with a model holding the product, which looks cool, but that's not all. Now, in this one, you can see that brand name is highlighted with a motto, and you can see their claim on removing makeup. Now, in this one, you can see they highlighted their achievement, such as they are the number one best-selling brand, over 10 million units sold worldwide. That's how you can also highlight your brand, showcase your achievement, showcase your product in a good light. Now come to the next module, which is video module. This is the module for adding video, premium full video. Here you can upload up to 4K resolution. The minimum size is 960 by 540. Alright, let me show you from Amazon itself. Adding a full video will look like this. See? Videos are always more engaging for the shoppers compared to only images. With video, you can actually show how the product works in real life. That way, customers understand the product better when they see it in action. Now, here in the backend, you can put your headline in this field and body text in this field. For the video, just click here and browse your files. The ratio I already explained. Here, add your video title and here you add the descriptions. Alright, you got the idea. Make sure use full videos in your premium A plus content. It will really boost your sales and also make your listing stand out. Now, there are other video modules also. If I scroll down, here is the premium video image carousel. In this module, you can add videos and images together. For example, you can show the product in action with video and at the same time describe the features with the text here. You can add videos and place text next to it. You can even choose the placement. If you want the text to be left, click here, and if you want it on the right, just click here. But still, the most commonly used option is the premium full video. Another module you must to add in your Premium Plus content is comparison chart. And you can see there are 3 types of comparison charts. But the most appealing one is the third option. Let me show you an example. Here on the screen, you can see it's a more stylish way to compare the main item with your other items. When you click the arrow button, another product slides onto the screen and its features show up. See this one? However, you can click the Learn More button here. If a shopper compares and he likes another item instead of this one, they can click it and go directly to that product listing page. Of all the comparison tables, these two are mostly used. Using a comparison chart in your Premium Plus content is important because it helps customers easily to see the difference between your products. It lets them compare features, prices, and benefit side by side by making the decision-making process simpler. This can lead to increased sales because customers can quickly find the product that best fits to their needs. Next is Premium Hotspot. Premium Hotspot is the next module you should definitely use in your A+ content. It's important because it lets you highlight the key features of your product directly on the image. Let me show you this. See here, if I hover over this spot, information pops up. It could be the product features or key elements. By adding these hotspots, you can guide shoppers to notice specific details and explain the benefits clearly. This way, customers don't have to read a lot of text to understand what makes your product unique. It's a very effective way to keep them engaged and also build trust because their questions get answered right on the image. There are 2 types of hotspots available. One is the only image and the other one lets you add text as well. So like headline or short descriptions. You can use whichever one fits your product better, but make sure you use Hotspot in your Premium A+ content. Another must-have module is image carousel. So I have opened a couple of listings here and you'll notice all of them have image carousel. This is the must-have module. So there are 3 types of image carousels: navigation, regimen, and simple image carousel. Let me show you the first one. This is the navigation carousel. You can see the navigation tabs here. And when I clicked on the tabs arrow, the navigation tab changes as well. Now, the resume carousel. This one lets you switch slides by clicking here or by using the arrows. It's smooth and very interactive. And finally, the simple image carousel. This is a straightforward version of your customers can just to scroll through images. There is a super effective module in the Premium Plus content you must add, which is Q&A module. This is called the Q&A modules. Here you can see that some questions are added and as well as if you click the arrow, answer pop-ups. Adding a Q&A section is super important because it answers common questions shoppers have, which can help clear up any doubts. It shows that you are responsive and care about your customers' concern. This is the module and here you write the questions and below you write the answer. You can add 5 questions max and here you can change the color. Use it according to your theme color. However, to add your question, think about what customers usually ask and start with those. Keep your answer short and sweet. No one wants to read a long paragraphs. Use the Q&A section to highlight key features of your product. It's a great way to remind customers of its benefit. Make sure your answers are very easy to understand and keep sure that your Q&A is up to date. Alright, I think you understand what modules are must-have for your listing if you are using Premium A+ content. That's a wrap up for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. We have got plenty of more e-commerce tips and tutorials to sharpen your business skills. You can also visit our website at ecomclips.com where we share strategies, resources, and insights to help you level up in 2025. If you have any questions or any queries, you can just mail us at info@ecomclips.com and we'll get back to you with a proper solution. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.